So, once you have that, when you find it, so there's many different kinds. One is Dr. I, right? Which one do you have? Dr. I? Color dictionary? Which one? What's the name of your dictionary? The name. Do you know? Does anyone know the name of their dictionary? Dr. I? Yeah? What do you have? You have one? No. No? Do you have one? You said you had an 英汉字典, right? 有吗? Yes? No, you don't have. Alright. Do you have it now? Alright. So you found one? What is the name? Oh, you have many. Okay. But what's the third one? Number 3. What is it called? The name? It just says 英汉字典, huh?
英汉字典.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look for that. Okay. So you need this first. So download one. Okay. On Google Play or on App Store. Okay. If you have Android, that's Google Play. If you have iPhone, App Store. You already have one. You're good. You're done. Okay. So, how many people use their dictionary for looking up words? Do you use it? Do you use your cell phone to look for English words sometimes? Rarely, right? Okay. How many people play some English games on their phone? No? No one? Okay. So when you use Line or Facebook Messenger or anything to talk with your friends, right?
Yeah.
Do you use English ever? Do you ever use English? Never? Never? Nobody? So what keyboard do you use? I know, but which one? Bubba? Yeah? Bubba? No one uses the other one? And no one uses P&E, right? No, right? Okay. Just making sure. Alright, so everyone seems to use Bubba, no one uses English. No one plays English games. Okay? So I'm going to teach you one. Okay? And today you're going to use iPod to play an English word game. And the word game is called Letter Press. That's the name. And it's a game that my friend made, and it's a really good game for vocabulary. It will at least it will make you remember some words that you play. Okay? So there's one more thing. It's also about strategy. So if you have a dictionary, maybe you can use your dictionary. Yeah. Look up the word strategy. It's S-T-R-A-T-E-G-Y. S-T-R-A-T-E-G-Y. What is that word in Chinese? Okay, you guys know it? You guys know what it means? So, people talk about strategy in games, right? Strategy in business, strategy in qi, right? And wei qi. You guys know this game? You guys know qi, right? The game where you play with the pieces, the different pieces, right? And then you guys know wei qi, right? Do you guys know this game? It has black and white circles, and you move them, right? To try to surround, right? You try to capture. You guys know? So, this game, the game we are going to play, is very much like Wei Qi, okay? It's very kind of the same, except with letters. So, let me show you how it works. just give me 1 minute and I will make this go. Sorry. I'm using my hotspot for Wi-Fi here because I can't use the school Wi-Fi. So, 1 second. So maybe you have to stand up to see this. Okay, so this is how the game looks. 25 letters, right? Your job is to make words with these 25 letters, okay? So this is how you do it. You can press each letter in order to spell a word, right? And you can move letters around like this. You can hold them, you can move them around, you can put them in the right place, right? Now, this is a word, right? Lot, like a parking lot, right? So I'm gonna say that I want to play this word. The blue button is submit, put the word in the game. So put the word in the game. It might take a second. This is loading. So there it goes, done, right? Now this one will have it too. So your team is always blue, your team. The other team is always red, okay? So now when the red arrow means it's the other team's turn. And the blue is your team. So now it says I have 3 points, right? I made 3 letters, blue. But you can see the O is different, right? The O is darker, right? Because L and T surround it. It's like way, right? The way T, you know, like it's like surrounded, right? Like protected. So the O is now for this team only. So watch. Let's look at this. This is shows. Not. Let's see. It's always the first game. It takes so long to start, guys. What's going on here? It was working before. All right, here we go. So now you can see that in this one it's red, right? It's dark red. So let's try to make this one not dark red. So let's find a word with L and or T, right? Let's take away. So maybe, how about L-O-R-D? I can still use the O, right? I can use it. So I'm just gonna press the submit, right? Lord, right? And you'll see on this one, the term will go through. I don't know why it's so slow. It's usually not slow. After this one, it will be fast, I promise. There you go. Okay, so you can see now. This one only has 2 points, and this one has 3. The O didn't change, right? The O is still red, but the L changed. So now this one, same thing, right? So let's play another one. Let's make a bigger word. Let's do P-R-I-D-E. Let's try to take some of these, right? Pride. Let's see what happens.